If you've ever wanted a quick and simple solution for collecting information and making it easily searchable right inside your WordPress site, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through how to create a fully searchable database using WordPress with just the power of the Jetpack plugin. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to design a custom form, let visitors submit their data, and then instantly search and view all those entries without needing any coding skills. Let's dive right in. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard and find Jetpack in the menu. If you haven't installed Jetpack yet, go ahead and do that. Jetpack is a trusted and feature-rich plugin that makes tasks like this really straightforward. Once you're inside the Jetpack section, look for the Forms option. Jetpack forms are perfect for gathering information, whether you want to collect contact requests, job applications, or newsletter signups. Now click on Create New Form. This is where the magic starts. Jetpack gives you several template options to choose from, but for a searchable database, you'll want to think about exactly what information you need. For example, are you building a simple contact form with fields like name, email, and phone number? Maybe you want to collect company names or specific answers for a survey. Customize your form by adding, removing, or renaming fields as needed. Take your time here. It's really important to set the form up so that it gathers exactly the details you'll want to search or review later. Don't worry if you change your mind after publishing. You can always come back and tweak these fields. After tweaking your form, go ahead and click Publish. Jetpack lets you easily insert this form into any post or page you like, so think about where you want your visitors to find it. Maybe it's on your contact page, or maybe you've created a dedicated sign-up page. Just copy and paste the form shortcode where you want it to appear. Next, try populating your form yourself. Visit the page where you publish the form and submit an entry. This isn't just a test, it's also a way to see exactly what your users will experience. Make sure all the fields show up as you expect and that submitting the form works smoothly. This step is crucial because first-hand testing helps you catch anything that doesn't look quite right before real visitors start putting in their details. Now, let's circle back to the Jetpack area in your dashboard. Head over to the Forms section again. This is where Jetpack neatly organizes all the information that's been submitted through your form, a built-in database of every entry, ready for you to review at any time. You'll see a list of submissions, and you can click View on any entry to see all the details people provided, just like flipping over an index card to view the information on the other side. This is invaluable for keeping track of contacts or applicants or for following up with leads, but the real superpower here is searchability. If your form becoming popular and you start to have dozens or even hundreds of entries, scrolling can get overwhelming. Don't worry, Jetpack includes a search function right at the top. Type in a name, email, or any other detail you collected, and Jetpack will instantly filter the list for you. So if you ever need to quickly find, say, everyone from a particular company or all entries with a certain phone number, you can do that in seconds. And that's all there is to it. With a few simple clicks, you've set up a searchable database accessible right from your WordPress dashboard. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions about forms or Jetpack features, drop them in the comments. I love helping out. For more practical WordPress tips and step-by-step guides, don't forget to subscribe for future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.